up, guys? Back at it again. That's right. First mod to the V. All right, and the most important one.
No.
Bam. Yeah, we're gonna put this bad boy on. This is actually the one I had in the vet, and is the Redline 360, the Escort. So I love it. It's bomb. I had this rear view mirror mount, and I love it. All right, I have it on my fist. I haven't had any issues or anything. I usually go with the blend mount, man, but they're proud of their stuff. They're pretty expensive, and like for the vet, I had to go with them because no one else would carry it. And but this one being a bit more normal, I can actually fit this one. So this is pretty good quality. It's billet aluminum, and it comes with extra, well, all the tools you need, and extra long bolts in case you need to go longer on here. So and it already comes with the actual mount that goes to the 360. See, there it is. All right, so we're gonna be fitting this on. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh, also, and here's the hard wire. All right, so I pulled the one I had on my vet, and I'll be running the same pins on there. I'll run you guys to which ones you guys actually have to connect to. All right, so let's get into it.
All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this, use this little pry tool to pop this off. All right, that's to gain access to your wiring down there. So move this out of the way. There it goes. Okay, so we're actually going to be connecting to the wires here. This is going to be our direct connection. All right, so the wires we're actually going to plug into is going to be the purple wire. I don't know if you guys can see the purple wire with the gray stripe for 12-volt power, and then the black one there. All right, so, and these, they just pin in. Just pin in like that. And this one, God, I can't even get my fingers in there. Okay, there it goes. So I'll put some light on here. So this one actually pushes in like that. You see that? Okay, let's see if it works. Alright guys, so this is in, and the wire's here. I'm actually guided through that pocket hole, put all this stuff back on. Your bolts. Be able to fit all this in there. And there's something here which I don't wanna, there's a wire, I don't wanna squeeze it. So I'm gonna push this. There's like a little tab here back. Push it back. You know what, let me take it off. I think it's gonna be in the way. And then the wiring, I'm actually gonna go, if I can go under it, probably can't. There it goes, okay. You guys might have to pull it out a little bit. There it goes. So you guys won't actually grab onto it and damage it. I'll show you guys right now. I'm gonna get a hold of the camera. Okay. So it's in. Alright guys. So here, let me see if you guys can actually see. Okay, there it is. It's a bit hard because of the light, but there's the wire right there. Okay, there's a wire right there. All right, so you got to go move it under because it's actually in the way. See how I moved it under? Right there. So there it goes, and then just put everything back on. Move this wire off to the side and pull it if you need to. I left enough slack on there, and then just tighten everything up. It's a bit hard actually being able to see this. I'm actually trying to flash some light in there. Just the way everything, the light is coming in, but there it is, it's on there. Let me see if I can get a better view. See. All right, so let me tighten this up real quick. All right, there it goes. So that's adjusted right there. And this mounted up. The wire plugs in here. Stupid little thing. Hate that thing. Anyways, this won't come off. But that's that, and then you just tighten this up. Adjust it to however you want it. See, I'm gonna bring it up a little right there. Just close to the top. I love it. For it to sit nice and flush. All right, tighten it up. That's in. And there it goes. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it works. Alright, so that's it right there, guys. Hope this actually helps out, and yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. And first modification. I love it. Alright, more to come. Stay tuned. Catch y'all next one.